One bomb, 81 gigatons, 1,620 times more powerful than anything ever detonated on Earth. A blast strong enough to tear apart the ocean floor, trigger massive waves, and alter the course of history. This isn't a military operation, it's a scientific proposal calculated down to the finest details, all in the name of saving the planet from global warming. The idea revolves around basalt, volcanic rock capable of absorbing carbon dioxide. Normally, this process is too slow to make a difference. But what if the basalt were reduced to fine dust, accelerating the reaction by thousands of times? Scientists from the Rochester Institute of Technology proposed detonating a thermonuclear device 6 to 8 kilometers underwater, crushing millions of tons of rock and forcing it to absorb CO2, effectively neutralizing emissions from the past 30 years. The project is estimated to cost $10 billion, a negligible sum compared to the hundreds of trillions humanity stands to lose due to climate disasters. By the end of the century, global warming could threaten the lives of 30 million people, and this explosion, no matter how insane it may sound, could buy us another 100 years. But what if something goes wrong? Imagine the moment of detonation. A colossal shockwave tears through the ocean floor, generating towering tsunamis. Millions of tons of water surge toward the shores, obliterating everything in their path. The pressure shift alters the ocean's chemical composition, wreaking havoc on marine ecosystem. And even if the waves don't reach land, even if radioactive contamination is somehow avoided, what about the geological stability of the region? Dr. Jane Smith, a climatologist from Oxford, warns, "We are interfering with processes that have been shaping the Earth for millions of years. We might slow global warming for a century, but at what cost?" Professor Michael Chen from Harvard adds, "Any attempt to radically alter Earth's climate system is a game of Russian roulette." History is filled with examples of human interventions in nature that ended in catastrophe. Yet time is running out. Every year, the planet loses billions of tons of ice, sea levels are rising, and climate anomalies are becoming the norm. Can we afford to hesitate? Other technologies exist: stratospheric aerosol injections, ocean composition modifications, genetic engineering of plants to accelerate carbon absorption. But these remain theoretical. This nuclear detonation, it's a plan that could be executed. So what do you think? A bold breakthrough, or a dangerous step that humanity will regret? Let me know in the comments, would you take this risk?